Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming compatibility and enabling the essentials, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Open settings on your Huawei phone and turn on wireless projection or Huawei share. This creates the link that carries video and audio. On the TV or Windows PC, open its wireless projection or Miracast receiver screen. Once done, make sure both devices share the same network or use the phone's direct mode, because matching network layers ensures a stable handshake and minimal latency before you initiate the connection. Next, launch the projection from Quick Settings. Pull down, tap Wireless Projection or Multi-Screen and scan for receivers. You will see the target device by name. Tap it to start the pairing. If prompted, accept on the TV or PC and enter a PIN when required. Once connected, configure resolution and orientation in the projection app to match the display. This reduces scaling artifacts. Also check audio output selection so sound goes to the TV. These tweaks improve clarity and responsiveness. To finish, use your phone as the remote. Playback, slides, and volume controls are available in the projection overlay. When you're done, stop projecting from Quick Settings or disconnect on the receiver to free resources. If the image lags or fails, try one key troubleshooting tip. Restart Wi-Fi on both devices and toggle wireless projection off and on. This clears transient network conflicts. If problems persist, reboot devices and repair. The clean handshake usually resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.